Hi friends! So today we are going to make a menorah together. So just to remind you, the menorah is a special candle holder. It has 9 candles in it. So 8 candles are used and lit for each night of Hanukkah. And then the special 9th candle is the helper candle to light the other 8 candles. So today, to make our menorah craft, you're going to need your half sheet or half paper plate, and you can use either side. I'm going to use the one that's more out, so the back of the plate, but you can use the front of the plate as well. I'm also going to use some yellow tissue paper, some glue, some scissors, and my candles that I had cut out here. So you should have these in your supply bag for this week. I already cut out my candles, so I'm going to start with the candles. I already cut them out. So I cut around as best as I could. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mine is still kind of lumpy around the flame, but that's okay. But sometimes this can be a little tricky, so if you want, you can also just cut a straight line around, kind of like a rectangle, whichever's easiest for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab my glue and I'm going to flip my plate over and put a little dot on the back left side, so right here. And then I'm going to take one candle. I'm going to kind of glue it backwards. I'm going to glue it right here. Just like that. And then I'm going to keep going, so I'm going to add another drop of glue for candle number 2. And I'm going to glue it right on the back next to my other candle. And I'm going to keep dotting until I get all 9 candles. So 1 drop of glue on the back, and then I'm going to add 1 more candle next to it. So right now I have 3 candles, and I'm going to try to keep them kind of close together so I have enough space to put the rest of my candles. So now candle number 4. Number 5. So just a little dot. You don't need a lot because the more you put, the longer it's going to take for it to dry. So I have 5 candles now. Add a dot. Add a candle. 6 candles. Seven candles. 8 candles. And 9 candles. Oh, and it looks like my 1 candle is slipping, and that's okay. I'm just going to move it. And I have all 9 candles on my menorah in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to leave it flat. I gotta be a little careful with it because the candles might fall off as the glue still dries. But if it does, it's okay. We can just stick it right back on. So now I'm going to take my yellow tissue paper and I'm going to start making little rips or little pieces. So you're going to take those pincher fingers, pinch 2 sides of the paper, And you're going to rip. Just like that. So you're going to keep ripping until you get about a small piece, about this size. So I'm going to roll it up into a ball, and I'm going to glue it to my candle. So this yellow piece is going to be like the flame. Like as you light the candles, this will be on top. Like in real life, how a candle would have a flame. So I'm going to take my glue, and I'm just going to glue the top of one candle. Lift it up really quick so you guys can see. So I put a little bit of glue on one candle, and I'm going to take my tissue paper and glue it on top. Just like that. And I have my flame. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to put my plate down just because it's a little easier to do on a flat surface. So again, I'm going to rip my paper and ball it up. I'm going to add a drop of glue and put the flame on. I'm just going to keep doing this until all 9 of my candles are nice and full and filled with a flame. So balled it up. See if I can move my camera down a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to ball it up and put a piece down. And you can have big flames, you can have little flames, whatever you would like. This is your project and you can make it your own. So just a little drop. Oops. And I'm going to take my piece and ball it up. Ball. And rip some more paper. It looks like I have about 3 candles left, so I'm going to just make 3 balls right now. So one rip, and ball it up, glue it down, move this a little because it's hiding, rip, ball up, and I'm going to place it on my flame. Oopsies. And last candle. So I ripped it and I balled it up. I place it on my last candle here. So when you're all done, you'll have 9 candles that have yellow flames on top for your menorah. Now I'm going to stop here, but if you want, you can decorate it how you want. You can add glitter, you can color it, you can even write your name. And there you have it. That's how you do your menorah craft. Hope you had fun. Bye.